Hello everyone. Today we will learn about tangram and make tangram. Tangram is a 1000-year-old game of Chinese shapes, also known as wisdom puzzle. The game consists of 7 pieces formed by cutting a square in different shapes. The shapes are 2 large triangles, 1 medium triangle, 2 small triangles, 1 square and 1 parallelogram. For this I have taken 1 square paper. See, this is a square paper and I have folded it from its diagonal. From its diagonal I have folded it. You can take square paper of any size. So I have folded it along its diagonal. And then I will cut it out. You also do along with me. Now we will take 1 piece and fold it from the middle. And in this way we will get 2 triangles of equal size. So we will cut it out. Now I have cut it into 2 equal triangles and I will keep it. I can name it also 1 piece and this piece I am making it 2. Okay. Next I have another piece of the square. Okay. Here what we will do, we will fold it like this. And then we'll open it and we will try to fold it from the tip. This way we will fold this. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to find half of this line and half of this line. Means we have to draw midpoint of these 2 parts. So this we can get by measuring also or by folding also this into half. By this way we can get also. This point we have got, and if we fold in this way, the half we will get at this point. Now what you have to do, you first draw this line, which fold I have done like this. So this here you make a line. Okay. That here you have made 1 point and here you have made 1 point and then join these 2 points straight. Okay. And on the another side, this is the midpoint. We have folded like this now. So this is a midpoint we have got here. So from here we will join, one we have joined directly, see, but another we are joining like this, see, and this way we are getting parallelogram here. So you will see that in our square we have made 7 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of them 5 are triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are triangle. 1 is parallelogram and 1 is square. Already 1 and 2 part I have cut. Next we will cut all these 5 parts. Then I will tell you use of this tangram. So all of you cut it now. Let's see, I am going to cut now. and my 7 pieces are ready. Using these pieces, we can make different shapes of animals, people, etc. For example, I am making here one simple figure using this diagram. So figure 1 I have kept like this. Second I have kept like this. See here. Second I have kept like this. Third, now just see, is it not a picture of an animal? So this way we can make beautiful shapes using these pieces of diagram. Thank you.